What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cookie banner on your Wix website. So, first, of course, head over to Wix and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse on Apps, then click on App Market. And from here, we're just going to start searching for cookie banner. Then just press enter. And from here, you can see various apps that you can use for your Wix website to add a cookie banner. So in our case, we're just going to pick Concentic. So just click on the app, then proceed by adding it to our site. Of course, we're going to agree and add. So from here, we're just going to customize how our banner will look like in our website. And of course, choose layout if it's full bottom, full top, or whatever placement you would like for your cookie banner. Then proceed by clicking on next. Next is customize the select consent behavior if accept only, accept and decline, and a lot more options. And you can also select language template, customize what is written on the banner, then proceed by clicking on next. And lastly, all you have to do is activate and finish your banner. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!